So I'm really happy to announce that after closing Buffalo Billiards in 2019 and thinking that its run in DC was done, we found a location, we bought the building, and we are bringing Buffalo Billiards back. It is so exciting working on this project with my partner, Kurt Large, who I go way back with in the bar business. We're under construction now. We've sort of figured out what we're going to do, and I just want to give you a sneak peek and a little insight into the chaos at the beginning of the project. Welcome to Buffalo Billiards 2.0. And here we are at Buffalo Billiards 2.0. I cannot tell you how fired up I am about this project. Now, after closing in 2019, I thought we were done. And we found this building, we were able to buy it, and we're now able to do whatever we want with it. The ground floor, we're gonna have 4 pool tables. We're putting in these really beautiful Brunswick Gold Crown Centennials that have chrome sides. And then we found this 100-year-old bar in Philadelphia that's 35 feet long with a back bar with mirrors and stuff, and we're gonna pick that up in a couple of weeks. That's gonna go on the one side, pool tables on the other, gathering spots. We're gonna have darts and a place people can go and maybe put their phone down and actually have some conversations and some fun together. Come on in. This is an unusual building because there aren't columns in it. They took out what were 3 columns in the middle, put these big I-beams in to carry it so it could be a theater. And so that gives us just complete flexibility with what we're gonna build. As you sit here, you'll have this beautiful old deco bar. I'd like to have a banquette here where people can sit up high and also watch a game and have a meal, enjoy the company of their friends. Pool tables along here, kitchen in the back corner, bathrooms over here. We're gonna have some stairs around the back that will allow us to have a second means of egress from upstairs, which is the same size as downstairs. We'll have a little sidewalk patio out front that's gonna be nice. Then we got the stairs to the second floor. And what's really great about this is that we can have private parties upstairs or downstairs and still be open for business. It's so cool up here. When we came in, this was an office. There were all kinds of desks, there were walls. Now you can get a feel for how bright and airy it is. It's got these really cool skylights. Normally we like it to be kind of dark and cozy, but actually this is gonna be fantastic. And then up here, like downstairs, we'll have a bar on one wall. We'll have pool tables up here. We're gonna go with smaller pool tables that'll be great for leagues and tournaments and things. And then seating, games, shuffleboard. This wall is gonna come down. This was a classroom and there's an office over here. So this will be more of one big room that's gonna be the second floor. 1 or 2 pool tables over here. This is kind of a cool feature here. Right now, I am standing in the original Otis elevator, which is gone, except up top, some of the gears are still here for it. They could drive an Oldsmobile in, bring it up to the second floor and get it all ready for the customer and probably bring it back down, and then they would come and pick up their car and drive down 14th Street and maybe go around the Capitol with a brand new Oldsmobile. I know there's an opportunity for a 3rd floor and a roof deck. It's just not gonna happen for a while. But that's what's great about owning a building, is you get to dream and imagine how to take it in different directions. And then at some point, we'll decide to do something and maybe add a 3rd floor. So upstairs we have columns, which we don't have downstairs because they put in those I-beams, but they turn out to be in the perfect position to put a banquette where people can sit. And then the face of the bar itself is gonna be approximately where this wall is. TVs will be on that back wall, people sitting at the bar here, people sitting on the banquette. They've got their friends sitting with them, you know, on a stool here at the table, watching the game, hanging out, playing backgammon. And then right behind them, we can have the shuffleboard tables, you know, maybe some old school pinball. We don't know yet because we keep turning a corner and going, whoa, this could be different, or we can put something here. We're really in the brainstorming space right now. We're just trying to figure out how it's all gonna fit, how we can make it fit our budget, which initially you think, oh, we got plenty, this will work fine. And then somebody says, yeah, you got to spend $200,000 on putting in sprinklers or the air conditioner or whatever. So time will tell. So here we are in the alley behind Buffalo Billiards. We have enough room to put our walk-in cooler out back and not take up floor space inside, and then build our stairs that'll go up to the second and third floor. And then of course, we have to preserve the Oldsmobile sign. Love that about this building. 100 years ago, somebody painted that sign. How cool is that? I really can't tell you how much this means to me to bring back Buffalo Billiards. I have so many fond memories. I mean, really, my kids growing up in there, we had family parties. My mom used to host an annual family Dawson party for us and our cousins, and it was just a time that I will never forget. And when we lost that bar, it really knocked me down. I was so sad. And then to bring it back just fills me with such joy and such energy. And when I come down here and I see this, I just think about every corner and every opportunity for making this place fun and hopefully making it a place where people are going to walk through the door and feel the same kind of joy that I do. Stay tuned for the YouTube updates, and I look forward to seeing you here at the opening of Buffalo Billiards 2.0. Take care.